So I'm Squadron Leader Jonathan Taylor as part of the 92 Squadron, and I'm the Air Mobility Desk Officer. So Cobra Warrior is a high-end warfighting exercise run by 92 Squadron on behalf of 11 Group, integrating our partner nations in a contested operating environment. It's been an excellent training opportunity to train with our partner nations, integrating with different aircraft, different tactical procedures, to learn from them, and hopefully they will learn from us in this joint training environment. So participants are operating from other locations in the UK, such as RAF Bulmer, where we've got the command and control units. The UK aircraft are flying from their respective bases, and we've got ground elements as well, operating from Leeming up towards Carlisle. Cobra Warrior is an excellent training opportunity for us to exercise and integrate with our partner nations and across all three services to develop tactics and procedures.
So I'm Lieutenant Commander Carla. Me personally here, I'm a liaison officer for the 11F Squadron. So it's always a pleasure and a great experience to reinforce the partnership, and so that's why we are keen on participating in these type of exercises. We look forward to maintain that knowledge and that participation with England in the future. Participating in that type of Comeo is always a challenge, and it's always a pleasure to be part of that type of exercise and reinforce our partnership with the other nations.